So you just installed the first developer beta of iOS 27. But if you're like most people, you're probably waiting in line for the new Siri AI queue. Don't let your phone just sit there. But right now, iOS 27 completely alters the way your iPhone looks and feels under the hood. Here are the very first things you need to check out on your device. Keep in mind, because this is Beta 1, some of these features might shift or change throughout the summer testing cycle. Before we start, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future video as iOS 27 changes in each beta. Starting right on the lock screen, Apple has updated the customization engine this year. If you hold down your lock screen, hit Customize to get to the customization menu. When it comes to the wallpaper itself, you are no longer locked into standard gradients. iOS 27 allows you to shift the background to literally any custom color you want using a brand new color spectrum picker. Tap on the clock and you'll see a brand new option. You can now move the clock completely to the very top area, sitting right next to the date for a super clean, minimal aesthetic. If you want to use a photo instead, Apple Intelligence, with the help of Image Playground, can now generate completely custom wallpapers from scratch based on text prompts you type in. Plus, if you try to crop an existing photo that's too small, the AI will stretch and expand the borders of the image so it fits the screen perfectly. Oh, and finally, Apple added a massive quality of life feature to the media player. Whenever you are listening to music or podcasts, you can now literally swipe away the player controls on the lock screen to clear up your view and see your wallpaper, a feature users have been begging for years. This might change during the beta updates. Next, open up your Photos app because Apple Intelligence is bringing a brand new suite of generative AI editing tools that work on any photo in your library, even older shots or pictures taken on non-Apple cameras. First, the Cleanup tool got a massive upgrade. It's now way better at erasing unwanted background objects and distractions, generating incredibly realistic infill patches even if you are editing a complex, busy scene. Best of all, Apple handles all of this heavy lifting through their secure private cloud compute infrastructure, so your data stays fully protected while you edit. Second is the new Extend tool. If you have a shot that's cropped too tight, you can now pinch to zoom outward. The AI will instantly generate and build matching background scenery, allowing you to widen the frame or completely change the aspect ratio without cropping out your subject. The AI contextually generates brand new pixels only to fill in the blank gaps created by your new angle, keeping the rest of the scene completely original. And the last one is spatial reframing. When you hit edit, you can literally touch and drag your photo to change the virtual camera angle and perspective after the shot was already taken. This works with people and also animals. If you head over to Settings and tap on Sounds and Haptics, you will see that Apple has finally unlinked your system volumes. Instead of forcing your ringtone, alerts, and alarms to share a single master volume, you now have the option to completely decouple them. If you toggle off the Match Ringtone Volume setting, a dedicated slider unlocks for each category. This lets you set a soft, quiet volume for your text notifications and system alerts, while keeping your main phone ringtone and morning alarms as loud as you want. While you're in the Settings menu, jump over to Appearance and tap on Liquid Glass. Apple's signature design style just got a precision upgrade. Instead of just turning the glass look on or off, there's a brand new slider that lets you adjust the exact transparency level, from ultra-clear text boxes all the way to a heavily refracted tinted glass. You can dial it in perfectly to match your current wallpaper contrast. And finally, just hold down your power button for a second to check out the new turn-off screen design. Apple completely ditched the old static sliders for a beautiful, highly animated liquid glass power layout. The buttons respond fluidly to your touch and have much higher contrast, making the whole shutdown sequence feel incredibly modern. iOS 27 is packed with these subtle, interactive changes that make the iPhone feel completely refreshed, even without the new Siri active yet. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these UI changes is your favorite. Hit that subscribe button for more real-time iOS updates, and I'll see you in the next one.